Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
మా ఫోన్ వస్తుంది నీకు ఫోన్ వస్తుంది.
Good evening, everyone. Turn on the cameras. Guys, turn on your cameras. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Himanshu, why were you absent in last class?
Sir, I was present, sir.
But I didn't see you in many classes.
No, sir, I was there, sir. I was 5 minutes late, but sir, I was there.
Why are you late? Yes. Good evening, guys. So we have done with the triangle. So whatever the problems we have, we have discussed all the concepts. We have solved bit couple of problems as well. So you just go through your NCERT problems and solve it out. If you have any doubts, speak it out. Be ready with your doubts. We'll have a doubt session very soon, probably next week. Okay. You can ask your doubts. All right. Now tell me, guys, which chapter shall we start with?
Sir, still what chapters are left for us, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I think we have completed most of our first term syllabus.
Let's see one second.
Should we start second term syllabus, sir?
No, 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 no.
Yes, sir.
Sir, should we do surface areas and volumes?
And probability, sir. Areas related to circles and probability.
Just a minute. Look at this. So we have done real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equation, two variables, coordinate geometry, triangle, introduction to trigonometry, areas related to circles. We have to start. Areas related to circle. Isn't it? Guys, tell me what are the chapters you guys have done from your school side?
Sir, in our school, they started trigonometry.
Please, everyone, how many have you done with the areas related to circles and how many have you didn't?
Sir,
Please,
I'm done with areas related to.
Sir, I'm not done.
Sir, even I am done.
Going
Sir,
on,
even
sir.
In my school, sir, trigonometry is going on.
yes, tell me one by one. Please, can you come back again? Who all are done with the areas related to circles?
Sir, I did not complete it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am done.
Hmm?
Me too, I'm done as well.
Sir, even I am done.
Hmm?
Sir, I did not complete it yet.
Okay.
Sir, I did not complete.
Sir, I
Maybe.
did not also complete.
Okay.
Sir, the lesson is going on, sir.
Okay. What about Pratyusha, Prativa? Sorry?
We did not complete.
Completed. Okay.
Not completed.
Not completed. Okay. No problem. What are the chapters you have done with Prativa, Pratyusha?
Real numbers, polynomial, pair of linear equation and two variables, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression, triangles, coordinate geometry, introduction to trigonometry is going on.
Okay. Introduction to Trigo is going on. Okay. No problem. So areas related to circles, we'll try to finish it off very soon. After the probability, no one has done, right? Probability. How many have you done with the probability? Raise
Sir,
your hand.
I'm done with probability.
Sir, I am done.
Sir, even I am done with probability.
Sir, I am done.
Probability is going on. We are halfway done.
What about others?
Done, sir, probability.
What about others?
Sir, we didn't do it yet.
You didn't do it.
Sir, done, sir.
Sir, even we did not do it.
Okay. No problem. We'll solve it. Okay, we'll start with areas related to circle. Okay. First, we have to learn one by one what are the things. Okay, basically we have to learn
Sir, did you get that worksheet?
sorry,
Did you get my worksheet?
did I?
I have pinned the worksheet answer, sir.
You have submitted a worksheet, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. When you submitted, I just asked you to drop a message, right?
I forgot to drop.
We shouldn't forget that. So guys, areas related to circles. First, we'll talk about one by one. First, we'll talk about area of circle. First, here, what are the things we have here? In areas related to circle, the topics which we need to cover is motivate the area of a circle, area of sectors and segments of a circle, problems based on areas and perimeter circumference of the above side plane figures. So in calculating area of a segment of a circle, problems should be restricted to central angle of 60 to 90 degrees. Plane figures involving triangles, simple quadrilaterals and circles should be taken. Okay. So yes, the problems related to, look at this here, if I have circle, in this like a triangle, in this like a quadrilateral, something like this. Okay, this kind of problems also we need to take. And central angle should be 60 to 90 degrees only. So wherever the angles included 60 to 90 degrees, though that kind of questions we must take. So that is what the syllabus. That's what the syllabus, isn't it? Yes. Look at this now. First, we'll talk about area of a circle. Let us have a note. What is the area of circle? Pi r square, isn't it?
Pi r square, yes.
What is pi here? 22 by 7. Everyone knows that. Which is almost equal to, which is almost closer 3.14, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, here, if I draw a circle, look at this. This is my circle. What is this?
The radius of the
This is
circle.
radius.
Radius.
This is full 2 radiuses.
Diameter.
Diameter.
So now I could call diameter as 2 times of radius. And a radius also can be written as d by 2. Is it clear? Radius also can be written as
Yes,
d
sir.
by 2
Yes,
now.
sir.
So yes, this is what the basically area of circle related. Now we'll talk about circumference. What is circumference of a circle?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, circumference is the length of the boundary of that circle
Basically, I would say perimeter of a circle.
is
Yes,
same
sir.
as the circumference.
Yes, boundary. Look at this. So circumference बोलता है इसको, इसका boundary को. ठीक है. So now just that denoted by what? circumference of a circle is basically 2 pi r. What is that? 2 pi r. So yes, next we'll talk about segment. We'll talk about basic definitions. Next. What do you mean by segment of a circle? Everyone turn on your cameras. Everyone. So segment of a circle is what?
Sir,
Cut off. Look at this. Tell me what is the segment here?
sir, from the center of the circle,
Yes.
if you draw two radii to any point,
Yes.
then they form a sector. It can be minor sector or major sector.
Yes. That could be a minor sector, major sector. So if I write a technical definition of that, you write like this. Region of a circle which is cut off from the rest of the circle. Secant or chord. What do you mean by chord? What do you mean by chord?
Sir, chord is the line which joins any 2 points on the circumference of the circle, on the length, it joins any 2 points.
Look at this here. For suppose if I draw, this is my major or minor segment. Look at this. This is my line segment. This is my segment of a circle, isn't it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Though what we have here, two types of segments, major segment and minor segment. So what do you mean by major segment? The area, the segment which has more area, the segment which has more area, that is called as major segment. So here I have two segments, major, minor segment. All right. So major segment means a segment which has more area. Minor segment means what? A
The one
segment
with the
which has
lesser area.
less area, as simple as that. You write like this. 1 second. Let me. Segment with segment with the more area is called as major segment. Segment with the less area is called as less minor segment. Very simple. Okay. So now if I talk about sector, what is the sector of a circle?
There it's when there are two radii from the middle of the circle on any point on the circumference, and the part in between that, the area in between, is called the sector.
Okay, good. So if I talk about this, so look at this here. If I just draw How cow? Look at this. Cone shape. This is my major sector here. This is my minor sector. You understand? The outer region, ये जो बाहर वाला है ना, ये बाहर लाल वाला रीजन, ये मेजर हो गया, तो अंदर वाला ब्लू रीजन है ना, ये सब माइनर हो गया. आया समझ? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very simple.
Sir, is this also classified by area?
What do you mean by major sector?
Which has larger area is the major sector.
Which has larger area, which has minor area is minor, which has larger area is a major. कोई simple definition, right? So yes. So इसको कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? The region of a circle enclosed by an arc and two radii. What is the difference between the radius and radii?
Radii is the plural form of a radius.
Radii is the plural form of radius. Yes. Radii is a plural. So two, we are talking about two radiuses. So I'm just calling it two radii. Is it clear? So what is the sector here? Sector of a circle, the region of a circle enclosed by an arc and two radii. Look at this here. I'm just enclosed the arc with the two radius. This is the radii here. All right. So this is what the any doubts here? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
Now
No,
if
sir.
I talk about angle of a sector. What do you mean by angle of a sector? See the angle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what do we mean by sector, sir? And
भाई अभी तो बताया था मैंने. यही तो सेक्टर होता है. If I draw an arc. Look at it here. A region of a circle enclosed by an arc in. सर्किल का एक रीजन आर्क से कवर होता है ना, एनक्लोज होता है ना, उसको बोलता है.
yeah.
Just now I thought, right? So angle of a sector. Any doubts here? Any doubt, guys? Please do revise the notes after going home. Okay. After the class, you just revise the home. Of course, you are at home. I know that, but revise the class notes. So, angle of a sector. The angle of a sector is that angle which is enclosed between two radii of the sector. So the angle of a sector is that angle in which enclosed between two radii of a sector. Look at it. This is the angle. So look at it. If I just draw. Now this is my sector, right? Sector of A. So this is the angle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is a secant?
Where is secant?
It was in the definition of a segment, which is cut off from the rest of the
Ah.
circle by a secant or
that
chord.
is basically look at this here. Where is it? Where you are saying
On the bottom of the definition, secant or chord.
here, this one, acha.
Yeah.
Secant and chord both are same definition. Chord को भी बोलता है secant. आया समझ? So let me just let me write here. Look at this here. Let me give you various things. This is a circle, okay. ये हो गया मेरा chord. ये हो गया मेरा chord. ये हो गया मेरा secant. इसको भी बोलता है secant भी बोलता है. ये हो गया मेरा सेंटर. ये हो गया मेरा रेडियस. ये हो गया मेरा डायमीटर. ये हो गया. Look at this. If I just take any point, I'm taking a point here, and if I draw a line, ये हो गया मेरा tangent. This is the basic. समझा? हाँ.
Sir, can you re-explain what is a secant?
Secant and chord both are same. Secant is nothing but a segment. समझा?
Okay.
Sir, is it the segment or the line that creates the segment?
Segment?
Is it the segment itself or the line that creates the segment?
Yes, it's a segment itself where the line creates, where the line joins 2 points on a circle.
So it's the line, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What is tangent?
Yes, copied, done.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is tangent?
हाँ?
Tangent.
Tangent मतलब होता है देखो. Because if I take a point here, इधर कहाँ भी ले लो point, you take anywhere. If I just draw a line touching to that point, that is what called as tangent. इधर a point है. If I draw a point touching to this, ये होगा यार. If I draw a line touching to this point, if I draw a line touching to this point, so if I draw a point touching to this line, these are a tangent. उसको point को touch करते हुए एक line draw करता है ना, उसको बोलता है tangent. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll talk about length. Of an arc of a sector. Length of an arc of a sector. See, देखो ये sector था ना. This is was my sector, right? What is the length? ये arc है ना. This arc. For finding the length of this. ये हो गया मेरा minor sector. आया समझ? Length of that arc, that red color arc. You understand this one? For finding this length, this red color I have, right? For finding the length of that, we have a formula. That is L is equal to theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r into 2 pi r, isn't it? What's the theta here? Theta is equal theta is equal to angle of the sector. Everyone write that. Theta is equal to angle of sector and r is equal to radius of the circle. Make it fast. Theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. What is pi value? Pi value is 180 degrees. So length of the arc of a sector, right? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now if I ask you to find out area of a sector.
Sir, it is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square.
Where you are saying? Who said, man? This is 2 pi r only. Who said that?
No, sir, you are asking area of a sector, right?
Achha, that one you are saying. Oh my goodness. You are saying this one. I thought you are saying that this is a pi r square.
No, not that, sir.
Okay, no problem. Area of sector of a circle. What is this? So area of a sector. Area of a sector, look at this, given by theta by 360 into pi r square. All right. See here, basically here. So length of an arc. If I talk about length of an arc, length पूरा length को तो इधर क्या बोलते circumference आता है. Area मतलब area का theta by 360 is a common in both formulas. Here I'm talking about area. So area of circle is what? Pi r square. So here length of an arc. This full ये सब arc ही होता है ना. This full is arc only, right? This arc here. So that is why the reason I'm just taking full circumference. आया समझ? You can just remember like that. Is it clear with everyone? So length of the sector, length of an arc of a sector is what? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And area of a sector of a circle is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. If I ask you area into pi r square, if I ask you arc of a sector, the length of an arc of a sector is into 2 pi r. Right? And now look at this here, you write theta, where theta is equal to angle of the sector. Notice now if I talk about this one, this is my radius, this is my what? Look at this here, this red color, this is L, which means length of an arc of a sector. This is the theta. You understand? This is a, now this green color part is the red, this green color line gives me sector. All right, you understand? So this is basically what? Fully area of sector. Area of sector. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is how we can find it out. Aya samajh? So
Yes, sir.
look at this here. Next, area of a triangle. If I talk about area of a triangle, we have different cases. Sir, we are talking about circles, why we are including area. I mean, why we are including area of a triangle here. Boys, sometimes like triangle of area of triangle might include inside the circle. So for that is the reason we are learning all this. So, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is what? Area is equal half into base into height. This is for what? You write here. Now, if the triangle is and the triangle is an equilateral triangle, then the area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, root 3 by 4 a square, where a is what? Where a is equal to side of a triangle, side of a equilateral triangle.
Sir, can we also use Heron's formula?
You can use that. That is for scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle.
We
Okay.
can, yes, scalene triangle. You can use that as well. No problem at all. Heron's
Can you
formula
mention the formula?
for what? Heron's formula?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Just a minute. That is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Heron's formula.
And S is semi-perimeter.
Where s is equal to semi-perimeter means sum of all sides divided by 2. You might have learned in your 9th standard. How many of you learned that?
Yes, sir.
I learned, sir.
Everyone. Isn't it? Is it clear with everyone? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Heron's
Can you please scroll up, sir, a little bit?
Heron's formula. Heron's formula used for what? To find area of a triangle. To find an area of a triangle. Here side of a triangle. Side of a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what we have here. And 1 second. We have to learn only area of circle. Next, very important one is area of a segment of a circle. Area of a segment of a circle. Is it clear? Is it clear? So for this,
Sir, area of segment will just be area of a semicircle, right?
no. So we have a formula here for this formula. Basically, what you have to do is this is a circle. So this is my line segment, I mean segment of circle, let's say AB. This is my radius from point here. This is a triangle. Let us say this is a M point is a perpendicular. Use some angle theta. What is this is my height here. Now what is the height? This what is this? This is R minus H. This is what? R means what here? Radius.
The radius.
Radius.
So now here I'm just drawing the point. Look at this. Point P. If I ask you to find out area of this one, how do you find? Any idea? Any idea?
Sir, area of circle minus area of that major segment.
Area of?
Area of the circle minus area of the major segment.
Tell me, how do you find it out? How do you find it out?
There is it. No.
Huh?
No idea.
See, basically, I'm asking you to find out area of a segment of a circle. Area of a segment of a circle. Look at this here.
Sir, is it possible to use the theta given and the radius, use it as a right angle triangle to find the base, and
First,
then
yes,
double?
yes, you are right. Yes. Area of segment APB can be calculated as area of sector of, here this is my O, A, P, B minus area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB. This is how I can just do that. O, isn't it? Look at this here. You understand my point logically. See here, I need to find out this, this green color part, area of that green color part. For finding that, I have to find out this OAPB, this full, this full, इसमें से ये बड़ा ब्लू वाले में से ये रेड वाले ट्रायंगल को घटा देंगे तो मिल जाएगा ना मुझे. You understand? That blue color circle minus the triangle gives me that green color circle, isn't it? You understand?
Yes,
sir.
Sir, is it possible to find the AM and then double it and then use the semicircle formula?
Instead of doing that, this is a common sense, right? ये हम लोग ऐसा यूज करेंगे तो जल्दी से हो जाएगा ना, वो बड़ा होगा थोड़ा.
But is that possible?
Yes. You are saying that AM, you are saying what? AM
double that, so AB would be our diameter, and just use the semicircle formula.
So, but that's not a semicircle, right?
That's not a semicircle, isn't it? Yeah, semicircle means exact half of that. It should divide from the center.
Yes, all right.
Yeah, that you can use, but if it is a semicircle, you can use, but it's not a semicircle. Very simple. All right, you understand? Just a minute.
Yes, sir, I understand.
1 second. See here, so look at this here. So area of sector OAPB, at area of sector OAPB is what? So some theta by 360 degrees into pi r square minus Triangle of half into base into height. What is the base here? AB. What is the base? AB into height. Height is what? OM. Is that clear? Now, so look at this now. Theta by 360 degrees into pi r square minus half into here half into AB into OM, right? So if I use sine, see here, what is the sine theta and cos theta here? Tell me, what is sine theta here? What is sine theta? AM divided by OA, isn't it? Cos theta is what? OM divided by OA. Is it clear with everyone? AM divided by OA. Hello, sine theta is what?
Sine theta would be OM by OA, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Theta is over here. Yeah, you're right.
Sine theta is what? Theta is opposite by hypotenuse, na? So AM by OA. Clear? Opposite kya tha idhar? What is opposite? This is opposite. So AM divided by OA. So cos theta is what? Adjacent. So OM divided by OA. That's how I just round that. Now look at this. So what is AB here? So here, can I write radius square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2? Why? Tell me. Why? Tell me. Reason. Look at this here. Here AM by OA I have. So I'm just telling you the derivation. So this is the actual formula where you can use. This is the actual formula. If they ask you to find area of a segment, this is the actual formula you must use. R square is equal to R square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. But look at this, guys. AM. What is AM here? So OA. AM is equal to sine theta into OA. And OM is equal to cos theta into OA. All right. So if I substitute AM value, OM value, this is what I get. Clear? OA value is what here? OA. OA is what? Half, no? Mice. This is a radius. Is it clear? Is it clear? This is a radius. So that is the radius. So sine theta into radius, cos theta into radius. So look at this here. So I don't know whether you are understanding or not. Look at this. Let me explain you again. See, half I'm writing as it is. AM is what here? What is AM? Tell me. What is AM? AB. AB is equal to AM plus MB, right? AM plus MB or BM, isn't it?
Yes,
so,
sir.
Sine theta into R into R. So sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into half. So 2 times of radius I'll get here, R into R. So that means R square. So this is how I can write out. This is the final formula of this, area of a segment of a circle. This is what. What is R here? What is R here? Look at this. Theta is what? Where you write? Where theta is equal to angle of a sector. R is equal to radius of a circle. Don't worry, very simple. So if you substitute, you will get the area of segment of a sector. Area of segment of a circle, you will get it out very simply. All right. Next. Now, if I talk about different formulas related to quadrilaterals as well. So areas of different plane figures. So look at this now. If I talk about area of square, area of square is what? If I tell a square or a square, कुछ भी, L square में a square you would say. area of rectangle is what? Everyone knows that length into breadth. What is area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is what? B into height. Boys, look at this. If I draw a parallelogram like this. So this is my, let us say this A side and this is B side. This is my height here. All right. It's a perpendicular. So I'm asking what is the area of this? What is the area? This length,
H
this
into
length
B.
and breadth. So B into H. That's what I'm drawing. Should be clear. Yes. So now if I talk about area of trapezium, area of trapezium is what? A plus B into height
Sir,
whole divided by 2. Yes.
sir, what is the final area, sir, of segment?
This is the final area. Look at this. Theta, I just told you, right? This is this minus this. Area of this minus area of this. So area of that I found theta by 360 into pi r square minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into r square.
Sir, the formula is okay.
You will you know everything, right? So theta value you'll be giving by 2. So sin some value you will get, cos some value you will get, r square you have, everything you have, everything is available. So that is my area. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Next. So here area of trapezium is this one. What is A and B here? What is A and B? Where? A and B are length of parallel sides and H is equal to height of trapezium. Next, area of rhombus is what? Some AB by 2, PQ by 2, you say, where P and Q are what? Diagonals. आया समझ? So yes, this is what we have here. Is it clear? So if you know all this stuff here, you can solve areas related to problems, areas related to circles. आया समझ? This is what very important. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubt, guys?
No.
No doubt, sir.
Look at this now. 1 second. Everyone turn on your cameras now. I'll share that notes to everyone. Please refer that notes and come to the next class. And I'm going to start the session now. And before that, guys, before that, everyone make sure that you guys are following the class notes every day on everyday basis. How many of you are following? Honestly, tell me. Honestly, I don't mind anything. How many of you are revising the class notes at least for 5 to 10 minutes? At least you guys are opening it and just having a look at that. Raise your hand.
Sir, I do.
Just sometimes.
Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes, tell me. What about Yogesh, Ashish, Diksha, Tanvi, Pratibha, Pratyusha. Why you guys are not going through the class notes?
Revise it sometimes.
Sometimes you revise, sometimes not.
Sometimes.
Huh? Why sometimes? Why not every day? Tell me. You must give me. See why I'm taking time to ask you all these questions.
Sir,
Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, sometimes I forget to revise.
Forgot to revise. మర్చిపోదు ఎట్లా?
Sir, I'll do it regularly from now on.
Everyone you must revise. Okay. And how many have you done with your worksheets? How many have
I'm
you
done
done?
and I submitted it.
Huh?
I'm done and I submitted it.
Okay. All the worksheets. How many worksheets? I think I just gave you 2 worksheets, isn't it?
sir, me also.
Sir, one worksheet, sir.
Yes, sir. One for
Achha, no problem.
arithmetic progression.
I'll give one more. I'll give one more on triangles probably.
Sir, submit it today or tomorrow.
See, everyone should submit your worksheets on time. Please be adhere to your dates. Stick to your dates. Don't be delayed. Is it clear? Don't delay anything, guys. Please submit on time. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Yes.
No doubt. Sir.
Okay, then, guys. And one more thing, your Sunday's exam topic would be yes. Tell me.
Sir, you are saying a timing.
I'll submit. I'll post the worksheet here. I ask you to submit. Please be on time. So be on time. Look at this. What I'm saying. Be on time. Be stick to your timings. Be stick to your dates and all. Submit on time. And every day must text me or drop me a message that you have done the message like homework and all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Okay. All right.
Excuse me, sir. Of
Yes.
which chapter you will take the test, sir, on Sunday?
Probably triangles. We'll say triangles. Or which chapter you want me to conduct?
Triangle.
Which chapter you want me to conduct on, guys? Tell me.
Sir, triangle.
Triangles.
Yes, sir. Triangles.
Triangle.
And also, can you add
Yeah,
coordinate
not
geometry?
only triangles, guys. 2 chapters you want.
The next chapter.
Tell me which chapter.
So triangles and
Trigonometry. Sira Yogesh wants trigonometry.
Sir, we can do quadratic equations because we did it a long time ago.
Quadratic equations you want me to conduct? Okay, quadratic equations and triangles or
triangles.
Triangle.
how many of you want trigonometry? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री तो मत बाबू, नहीं चाहिए. कितना आदमी है ऐसा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री? कितना आदमी को नहीं चाहिए? कितना आदमी को ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चाहिए? So Diksha, Udbhav, Akhil. So you mean like you're raising a hand? You're raising a hand for conducting, including the trigonometry chapter, or not including?
Including.
Included.
Chalo, then let us have, trigonometry and quadratic equations then. So we have been writing a test on triangles, right? So let us give a break for 1 week. Probably we'll see it next week. Okay. So your coming topic is like trigonometry and quadratic equation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Quadratic equations and triangle. What are they?
Quadratic equation and trigonometry.
Sorry. Quadratic
Triangles and
equation
trigonometry.
No. Quadratic equation and trigonometry.
Okay.
Not triangle. No triangles. Quad
Okay, sir.
equations as well as trigonometry. Thank you, children. Let's retire.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.